Myself, Raju, working as assistant professor in information technology, the Department of Information Technology in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about principles of artificial intelligence in the topic definition of AI and types of AI. First, definition of AI. AI means artificial intelligence. It refers the simulation of human intelligence in computer systems. What mean by simulation? Simulation means on behalf of human presence. We are developing some machines that can act as the human intelligence. We call that systems AI products or AI machines. So in AI, we are creating algorithms and software that enable machines to perform the tasks typically require human intelligence, such as in problem solving, reasoning, learning from experience, understand natural language, and recognize patterns. What is the main aim of the AI? What is the main aim of the AI? That AI mimic the consecutive functions and automatic complex process, thereby enhancing efficiency and decision making in various domains. Next, we are going to discuss about types of AI. How many types of AI? There are two main types of AI. First one is narrow or weak AI, and second one is general or strong AI. What are these narrow or weak AI? In narrow or weak AI, there is limited set of rules and regulations performed by the machine or software. Some set of rules and functions that are limited. For example, nowadays we are using Siri and Alexa. We can use iPhone. We said to perform music, to play music. At the time, the Alexa can play the music that are inbuilt in the system, or it can be connected to the network or internet. It can play some music. So this is the limited task. So that's why we call as narrow or weak AI. Second one, general or strong AI. This type of AI represents machine intelligence that could potentially understand, learn, and perform intellectual tasks that human can. Means on behalf of human being, it can perform tasks on automotive. We are not given any task. It can perform the intellectual of human being. On behalf of intellectual of human being, it can perform the task. So that's why we call as strong or general AI. So in this strong or general AI, we are using so many fields. Some of them machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, natural networks, and so many. Okay. Next, in machine learning, particularly involves training algorithms to learn to adapt data to improve the performance over time, allowing AI system to adapt and make predictions or to decision based on patterns they discover in the data. Next, what are the main challenges? Main challenges or problems while we are going to develop AI. How many challenges or problems we are facing? So we can discuss in this. While AI, we are going to develop in AI product or software. It is present several challenges that need to address in responsible beneficial development. Some of the key problems include, what are the first one is bias and fairness. Fairness. The system, AI system can have some rules and regulations. If one country developed one robot, it can be sent to another country. In that country, it can perform any activities that are unauthorized or illegal activities for other country. For one place to another place, we are going from one place to another place. There is laws and cultural activities are there different. So it will be leading to illegal activity. So this is the main challenge while developing AI systems. Fairness, reducing the AI system critical concern. Fairness means to perform the task that given by someone. It cannot be accepted by someone. It's given by other person. It can be changed to the mindset of other person also. Person to person, it can be changed. So this is the fairness also another challenge of while developing the AI system. Next, transparency and interoperability. Transparency. While developing a system, transparency is important, but if the system developed by some company, it cannot show his ideas or views to other one. This is a business perspective. It is not good in business perspective. That's why transparency and interoperability are also one of the major problems in while developing the AI. Next, ethical dilemmas. What is meant by ethical dilemmas? That any engineering product, it can be performed or it can be accepted by the ethical dilemmas. It means, for example, self-driving car is there. While it made the accident, it can be recognized whose life is priority and whose life is saved and whose life is not acceptable by other. Okay, at the time of the accident, that system can recognize and perform the task within seconds. So it can whose life is prioritized and whose life is saved. It cannot be recognized at the time. It will be more dangerous. It can be more dangerous. So next one is job displacement. While adapting AI technologies in industry, it will be go to job displacement of the it will be replaced by the human being. For example, one person can do one work for 10 days. At the 10 days, at same work, the machine can do within 2 to 3 hours. So the industry persons are adapting AI technologies that can be replaced by the human being. So the job displacement may causes economic and social discriminations. Preparing the workforce for the change job landscape in challenge. Next, security concerns. Next challenge is security concerns. In security concerns, AI system can be attacked by someone or manipulated by someone. It can be manipulated or it can be attacked by someone. It perform the different tasks. So it also very powerful challenge while developing AI. Next, data privacy. The data privacy is an important thing in while developing AI. So nowadays we are using large amounts of data while developing AI. Large amount of data while developing AI product or AI software. In that, rising concerns about privacy and potential loss of personal information, striking balance between the utility and privacy is essential. While developing AI, personal information and for personal privacy and company privacy. This is understood by person to person. This is company holders, all the holders. For example, for a company manager, CEO, manager, team 1, team 2, some X, Y, 1, 2. So the team in this criteria, the X person personal data can be visible by or can be accessed by the team 1 person, team 1 manager, team 1 leader can access the X person's data and Y person's data. For example, 2 persons data can access by the team 2 leader. Next, the team leader, the manager can access the data of team lead 1 and XY data, team lead X1, 2 data also. The CO access these all data. This is the main criterion citations while developing AI. Next, lack of common sense and contextual understanding. Lack of common sense, and in this self-driving car meet with accident. For example, meet with accident. In the time, there is 10 persons in the car, and opposite there is a small animal. In the priority, whose life is important at the time? 10 persons life important or animal life important? For example, I'm not discriminating the animals, but here 10 persons life is important. So the self-driving car automatically understand and save the 10 persons life. Okay, yes or no? So it can be understand using common sense. So we are developing AI common sensed systems. Next, regulations and policies. So person to person and company to company, there are different rules and policies are there. So that can be adapted by while developing AI. The system rules and regulations should be follow and legally adapted by the government. Legally adapted by the government only. Next one, ninth one, resource intensive. When we are developing the AI, training advanced AI models requires significant computational resource and energy, raising concern about environmental impact. So, while we are developing AIs, we should consider environment. We should consider environment. Don't harm the environment. Don't harm the environment. This is the main concern. We are utilizing resources. We are utilizing environmental resources, but don't harm the environment resources. Next, long-term safety. So, just now we discussed the self-driving car. So, in this one, we have to long-term safety. Okay. Next, human-machine collaboration. Human-machine collaboration. In this one, defining the rules and boundaries between humans and AI systems. Boundaries. This is the AI system. This is a human being. So the AI can perform on behalf of human, but it can't take the decisions itself. It can be derived by the human being. It can be derived by the human being. It can be given by the instructions by human being. It can be perform the tasks. Next, misinformation and deepfakes. Misinformation. Any fake or duplicate data can't give an developing AI systems. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.